Howdy everyone. Today I'm going to install some exhaust in a 97 Toyota T100. Let me show you what we got. The inlet pipe to the muffler is completely rusted out. So we're going to do this extension pipe. There's a gasket in here, muffler, and tailpipe. Now it is a snow day, so this is going to be dripping on me the whole time. Let's start off by pulling this extension pipe out. Looks like that gasket's all rotted out. We'll put some new bolts in here too. Yeah, nothing left of that gasket. And let's pull some hangers. And the rotted out pipe. Looks like the flange is bent. Looks like that's seen better days too. Well, let's see how much of this rust we can chip out of here. So here's the parts we're going to install. These are Walker exhaust parts. This is the little inlet pipe. It's 52105. And this is a four-wheel drive T100. Quiet flow muffler 21286. A couple 2 1/4 clamps. 35336, a gasket 31374, and a tailpipe. This one's going to be 55069. Now I've checked to see if these look correct, and they do. Tailpipe will go up here. It looks like the hanger's in the correct spot and it's bent correctly. And I always make sure they go in to the muffler before I put everything up in there. Looks like it slides in good. They're not smashed down. Let's see if our little gasket fits. Yeah, that should work good. Let's run the wire wheel on it a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely as good as it's getting. Next thing is to get this muffler and tailpipe out of here. I think we'll just start pulling some hangers. See what happens. Make sure it doesn't come down and smack you in the head. Sometimes you have to take your sawzall and cut it out. There we go. So I think I'll start off with this little extension pipe. And we'll put some new 10mm bolts in it. We'll just put it up in here by hand for now. And the gasket it's actually a little too big, so what I'll do before I tighten it down is I'll push it up just a little bit. We'll put these front hangers on. Fits pretty good. Next we'll go with the muffler. Slip the muffler in. Put a hanger up here. Put the other hanger on. I think I'll bend this front hanger back a little. Like yay. That one looks good. Next for this tailpipe, we'll see if we can swing it into the hanger first and then slip it into the muffler. Get in your home. There we go. Yeah, that fits perfect. Make sure it's not touching anything. Let's put some clamps on it. Make sure the tailpipe isn't going to hit nothing. Twist the muffler till it's straight. I think we'll tighten this up first. We'll push that gasket up shade. Try to center it. And I think I'll tighten these by hand. I don't really want to crush that flange down like I had before. We'll see how tight it gets. That should do that. It's not crushed down like before. Nice and tight. Muffler looks like it's centered. We'll go ahead and tighten this front clamp. We'll leave it right there for now before we do final tightening. And let's snug this tailpipe clamp up. I wanted to turn this down just a shade. I can still move it. Got some pretty good area up here still, right there. I think that'll work. So there you have it. One muffler, extension, and tailpipe on a 97 Toyota T100 four-wheel drive. Completed. Ready to go. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.